Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tetris on a keyboard. Mastering the controls is your first step to becoming a Tetris master. We will cover the essential keys for moving, rotating, and dropping your tetraminos. Understanding these basic functions will allow you to manipulate the falling blocks effectively and clear lines. Get ready to learn the fundamental actions that will build your Tetris skills from the ground up. To move your tetraminos, simply use the left and right arrow keys to shift them across the playfield. For rotation, the up arrow key or the X key will turn your piece clockwise by 90 degrees. If you need to rotate counterclockwise, the Z key or the Control key is your go-to. Practice these movements to quickly position your blocks and avoid gaps in your stack. When you need to speed up a falling piece, a soft drop is achieved by holding the down arrow key. For immediate placement, a hard drop using the spacebar will instantly lock the tetramino into position. The C key or Shift allows you to hold one piece for later, which is incredibly useful for saving a crucial tetramino, like the straight eye block, for clearing 4 lines at once. Beyond the basics, focus on efficient stacking to build a flat surface and set up multiple line clears. Explore advanced techniques like T-spins, which involve rotating a T-shaped tetramino into a tight space for bonus points. Consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 minutes daily to refine your reflexes and strategic thinking. With dedication, you will significantly improve your Tetris gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.